It was just the 2 towns you mentioned.
No, they were present. But you said in the war we have levering foot. You understand?
Okay.
At that time, our Donti was facing the main Bauro people.
Okay.
Bauro and Abwantin people.
Okay.
You understand?
Okay.
Yeah, sure.
Okay. So then now, Intim Jakari is gone.
Yes. After they killed him, he was sitting on the golden stool.
Okay.
Which one person created.
Okay.
Of him.
Okay.
He was wearing we had the golden mask.
Okay.
And the golden Owari.
Okay.
So the golden Owari and the golden mask went to the Jabbing people. And the golden stool was given to the Osei Tutu.
Okay.
You understand?
Okay.
Then the golden bucket of Intim Jakari was given to the Baurohine. So today if you go to the Baurohine, he's in possession of the golden bucket of Intim Jakari.
Okay. And that golden stool, where is it?
The golden stool is what after the war, after they were successful. Many people said Asante had golden stool. It is a lie. After the war, after they were successful, after they had realized that they have successfully defeated Denkyira, Okomfo realized that he can create a kingdom. Because that time you could not create a kingdom because the war you were going, you don't know whether you are going to win or you are going to lose. So after that, he created a kingdom. He took all the stools of the chief that went for the war, and he buried them. And